I'm first thing using the storage over here.
Alright guys, if you find this video useful, make sure you check on the link on my comment section or my description below. It will take you straight to some tools and parts I recommended. They are all on Amazon store. So when you use this link, it helps support this YouTube channel so I can keep creating more video on car tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to and share with other cars lovers. So see you in the next video. Thank you all.